sometimes it takes a life-changing event to turn something around just a little bit, if not a lot.
Last year, we brought you the story of a woman who lost both her jobs when the pandemic struck, but turned her luck around when she won a recording session in Nashville from an online singing competition. Now we catch up with her 1 year later as that new song sees the light of day.
My name is Kimberly Newsom, and I'm sort of a newcomer here to Jackson, Tennessee. I was born and raised in the Bay Area of California, and I love it out here. I had ended up winning this contest last year about this time. It really changed my life at that time. I remember, I won something. I didn't even know what I won yet, but I started jumping up and down, and it was a great thing. And I found out I had won some studio time at the music shop in Nashville. I just finished my music video last month, and I took a shot in the dark, and I ended up getting on the news, and it wasn't just about me. I think it was a positive thing about COVID. I am an 80s baby. I love Madonna, I love Prince, I love a lot of the genre that people take chances, kind of break out of your shell and, don't care what other people think. And I was always singing, cover songs before, and everyone would say, oh, that's great, not at all, but when I became a writer, it was really all about what I was feeling and what I wanted to write. I had sang for 30 plus years, and my parents put so much time and energy in me, but I was so young I didn't understand what they were seeing and the potential, and it wasn't just about the vocal lessons and the money, it was their passion for me. So I had lost my mom in 2006 to lung cancer. After my mother, I had lost my first producer that believed me to cancer. So I think part of me had shut down emotionally, and I didn't want to write anymore. It was like I just, the stage lights were on. I think now now that I'm writing again and I'm putting stuff out there, it has more meaning. It's not just a song. My parents and my mom and all that, after losing her, it would mean a lot to her to see me pursuing this and doing all this, because I have such wonderful friends and family that support me. I mean, I can fall flat on my face and my family's going to be there for me and my friends. Oh my God, why am I crying? How the song, I forgot how it feels to feel. I started hearing a melody in my head. I was, when you're a writer, like when you hear a song, it's the most inconvenient times. You'll be trying to sleep, or you'll be in Walmart and you're like, wait a second, I can't really do nothing with this. But I remember the love of my life, and just, you forget how to enjoy things. I forgot how it feels to feel. And this is my personal feelings that I wrote down. Thank you.